Here are some tips to help you get started on making a career from working at home. 1. Start by identifying your skills and strengths. This will help you determine what kind of work you're best suited for and what kind of services you can offer to potential clients or employers. 2. Look for remote job opportunities in your area of expertise. Websites like FlexJobs, Remote.co, and We Work Remotely can help you find remote job listings in a variety of fields. 3. Build your portfolio. If you're interested in freelancing or starting your own business, it's important to have a strong portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. You can create a website or use platforms like Behance or LinkedIn to showcase your work. 4. Network online. Networking is crucial in any career, and working from home is no exception. Join online communities related to your field and connect with other professionals. This can help you find job opportunities, get advice, and build relationships with potential clients or employers. 5. Be professional. Working from home requires discipline and professionalism. Make sure you have a dedicated workspace, dress professionally for video calls, and set clear boundaries between work and personal time. 6. Keep up with the latest trends and developments in your field. This will help you stay competitive and provide the best services to your clients or employers. Remember that building a career from working at home takes time, effort, and dedication. Don't be afraid to try new things, be open to learning, and be persistent in pursuing your goals. With the right mindset and approach, you can turn your home office into a successful career.